Standard 12th Subject Biology. Topic: Human Health and Diseases. Let us study the definition of a disease. An abnormal condition of a part, organ or system of an organism resulting from various causes such as infection, inflammation, environmental factors or genetic defect, and characterized by an identifiable group of signs, symptoms, or both. Let us see the explanation of a definition. All of you know that human body is made up of different parts, organs, and systems. These parts or organs or organ system start behaving abnormally due to infection. This infection, it is maybe due to bacteria, viruses, or other microorganism. Inflammation means swelling. Environmental factors such as soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, or due to genetic defect. These genetic defects are transferred from parent to offsprings. Any disease can be identified by its sign, symptoms, or both. Let us study types of diseases. Diseases broadly are classified into two categories: congenital diseases and acquired diseases. Congenital diseases means the diseases which are present from the birth itself. Example: hemophilia and color blindness. Let us study acquired diseases. Acquired diseases are divided into two categories: communicable or infectious diseases, non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Now, communicable or infectious diseases are again divided into two categories: contagious, example smallpox, ringworm, and the recently corona. Second, non-contagious, example malaria and tuberculosis. Here, the meaning of contagious means the disease can be transferred from people to people or from person to person. Non-contagious means this is not transfer from person to person or people to people by a simple touch. Non-communicable or non-infectious diseases are divided into four categories. Number 1, degenerative or organic disease, example heart diseases and nephritis. Second, deficiency diseases, example scurvy, rickets, and anemia. Scurvy, it is due to deficiency of vitamin C. Rickets, it is due to deficiency of vitamin D. And anemia, it is due to deficiency of hemoglobin. Third category, that is allergies. Example, hay fever. Hay fever is also called as allergic rhinitis. The common symptoms of this hay fever, they are very similar to common cold, like sneezing, coughing, watery eyes, and watery nose. And the last category is called as cancer. I hope this is clear. Again, I'll repeat. Diseases are divided into two categories: congenital diseases, acquired diseases. Congenital diseases are present from the birth itself, and acquired diseases you acquire in your life. Acquired diseases are again divided into communicable or infectious diseases, and second, non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are divided into contagious, non-contagious. Non-communicable diseases are divided into four categories: degenerative or organic disease, deficiency diseases, allergies, and cancer. Now, let us study pathogen and parasites. First, pathogen. Pathogen means all the disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. Let us study parasite. Parasite means parasite is an organism that lives in or on the body of another organism and derives its nutrition from that of host organism. So, pathogen and parasite means pathogen, all the disease causing organisms are called as pathogen, and parasite means it is an organism that lives in or on the body of another organism and derives its nutrition from that of host organism. Let us study types of parasites. There are two types of parasites. Number one, ectoparasite means living outside the body of the host, and the examples are lice and bedbug. Second type is called as endoparasite, living inside the body of the host, and the examples are tapeworm and ascaris. Again, I'll repeat. There are two types of parasites. Ectoparasites means living outside the body of the host. Endoparasite living inside the body of the host. Examples of ectoparasites are lice and bedbug. Examples of endoparasites are tapeworm and ascaris.